going down 6 kilos, which I think is really good for 10 weeks. That's sort of how I would like to sustain it moving forward. Okay, now this is the golden dose that I'm doing today. Here we go. Let's open up the sharps. It was really hard to open up. I'm breaking this eventually. I can do that. Deep breaths. Oh, anyway, I'm going to have to open that up at some point. Anyway, here is my special little thing. So yesterday I went and got my third. This is my third pen. Yes, that's golden dose. And I've got my third pen here. Happy times. So this is my third 2.5. This is going to be my last 2.5. So I've got another 6 weeks until I have to get a new one. So I'm going to go see the doctor, titrate up. I'm thinking what I might do is titrate up to 3.75 to start with, to see how that goes, and up to 5, because apparently 2.5 is just to get your body used to the tirzepatide. But I seem to have been doing really well on the 2.5, but I can feel like I want to try titrating up to see how that goes. I'm like, my ideal is to go up to 5, not go any higher than that. I'd like to get down to about 70 kilograms, around between 68 and 70. That would be amazing. And then stay there. And then once I'm ready to maintain that properly, then titrate down to 2.5. And then looking at micro dosing moving through into the future at 1.25 a week. Just to see how that goes. Right. Okay. So let's get cracking. So we've got, I really want to open this up. I'm just going to pause you for a sec. Okay, here we go. I could probably take the lid off that thing. I don't know that I can actually. I think it's only this that can come off. Here we go. I think this will get it. Oh, maybe not. Oh, this is annoying. God, when I take this in, they're going to be like, why does it look like someone's been trying to hack in? Here we go, here we go. Fake nails. Yay! There we go. Oh, God. What a nightmare. There we go. My daughter's really keen to watch me do this because I've been telling her about it. I don't want her to think it's a cosmetic thing, because in all honesty, yes, I want to lose the weight. I want to look better, in my mind. But I feel better. Like, I don't have the inflammation I used to have. I'm not constantly thinking about food. I think about food a lot, and apparently that's normal, but I am on the low dose. But apparently that's just normal. It just comes in and out. You think it's going to go for good, but it doesn't. Anyway, so I'm prattling on. All right, let's get this sorted. So I'm going to extract the golden dose. Happy times. I've done this before. So I'll put that back in. Got this, and it's, look, I know it's controversial doing the golden dose, but I don't know many people that wouldn't do it because it's so expensive. And you know, you'll end up, you get 5 months for 4. It certainly helps. So, you know, I don't think I'd be able to sustain being on long-term, like being on even 7.5. I could manage 5, but not 7. I don't think I could manage 7.5 or definitely 15. That's like $800 a month. So, all right, here we go. So, doesn't look like there's any left in there, does it? So that's the golden dose. Golden dose extracted. So I'm going to flick up all the little bubbles. There we go. 60. Exactly 60. So a couple of weeks ago I used an extra 0.1. So that's really good. Here we go. Okay. Hold it. does sting a little. So we'll put this back in here. This will go in here. So I have so many of those needles. It's insane. So this can be recycled. I'm going to chuck it in. Will it fit in there? Yeah, it'll fit in there. I'll just chuck it in there. Why not? Why not? Nothing else is going to go in there. This is the new pen that I start next week. So that's 6 weeks. In 6 weeks I'll start a new 10. I do intend to titrate up. Anyway, see how I go in the next 6 weeks. See how I go in this next week. Pretty exciting. Pretty happy. Like this is 9 weeks today. So 6 kilos in 9 weeks I think is really good. But I've tried my thigh 3 times. I haven't tried my arm yet. I want my husband to do my arm with the actual proper pen. But I find the stomach is the best for me. I'm not really sure why. Anyway, I will talk to me next week. Well done me. See me next week.